Now to add text, I'm going to add a title here, so I'm just going to call this one Watford World or something along those lines. I'm going to use the text tool over here. First I'm just going to move the badge, so clicking on layer 3, because as you can see there, that's the badge there. That's here. And going back up to the top layer, I'm going to add my text, click on the T, Watford. Now you can't see that because it's a black font or a black background. I'm going to change the style of the font just to something so you can see. I'm going to make that about 72. Double click on the text. Like the shape tool, I can then change the colour. I'll go for yellow. Okay, again. As you can see, you've got the text there. So if you're not quite happy with that, you can always edit it if need be. There we go. So when you see magazines, often they don't have the text over the top of the main image. So that's working in layers. I'm just going to drag that underneath the player. Now this is where you'll need to have used the cutout shoe to cut out the actual background here. I'm just going to do that now. So I've cut out the player, so he's got no background there, and you can see the preview there that the background is transparent. And because I've lowered the text layer underneath the layer 2, which in this case is the player, the text goes behind it, like so. Now sometimes you might want text to go vertically. So all I need to do there is the same again, go to the A, drag how big I want that to be, I can always change that later. In this case I want to do world, so O, enter R, enter L, enter D. Change that. I want it to be roughly about the same, so about 120. And I want that to be yellow, so double click on the layer, click on yellow, there we go. So well, and obviously I've done capitals there, you can always change that if you need to. Clicking on the layer, select it there, so O, R, L, D. Again, you can always move that if you wanted to. You can always go to the next layer and move that. If you wanted that one, for example, to be red, what you'll need to do is on the layer 8, is remove W, put a space in, and do that as a separate separate text layer. So as you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, I've got 3 text layers there. So that's if you want to do a separate